Then again, Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. This is CADET September 2014 question paper of category 3 part 3 physical science. The first question is, after gaining new knowledge, the student associated it with already existing schema. The linkage is known as accommodation. The role of a teacher according to National Curriculum Framework 2005 is a facilitator. Which of the following properties of liquid does not decrease with increase in temperature? Vapor, pressure. Which of the following is not true for water? It is a Lewis acid. The enthalpy change per mole of an ideal monoatomic gas is 5/2 RT. The most important aspect to be considered by a teacher while planning a lesson plan: suitability to the mental level of the learner. The volume of water added to 1 liter of an aqueous solution of HCl with the pH is equal to 1 to get a solution of pH is equal to 3. The answer is 99 liter. A compound contains carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen in the mass ratio 10:1:2. If the molar mass of the compound is 93 gram per mole, its molecular formula is 6 H7N. 79. An ice cube floats in a glass of water filled to the brim. What happens when ice melts? Water level remains unchanged. During the roasting of lead sulfide ore, the formation of PbSO4 and PbSiO3 are prevented by the addition of lime. Which is greater, the attraction of 1 kilogram of lead towards the earth or the attraction of the earth towards 1 kilogram of lead? Both the forces are equal and opposite. Zinc can displace dash metal from its aqueous solution. Copper. Find the refractive index of a glass with respect to water if the refractive index of glass is 3/2 and that of water is 4/3. The answer is 1.125. The compound among the following containing both electrovalent and covalent bonds is NaOH. Who devised the induction coil? Rumkorff. Herbacean steps of lesson planning are given below. The correct option is A. First one is preparation, then presentation, then association, then generalization, then application. The last one is recapitulation. Is remember to get a formula PPAGAR. P for preparation, another P for presentation, then A for association, then G for generalization, then again A for application, then the last one R is recapitulation. The difference between heat of reaction at a constant pressure and constant volume for 2C6H6 plus 15O2 gives 12 CO2 plus 6H2O at 27 degrees Celsius in kilojoule per mole is minus 7.48 is the answer. A hospital uses an ultrasonic scanner of operating frequency 4.2 MHz to locate tumors in a tissue. What is the wavelength of sound in a tissue if the speed of sound is 1.7 km per second? The answer is 4.04 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. Which among the following is not the essential attribute of the concept atomic structure? Wave function. The starter of a motor is variable resistance. A lesson plan for teaching Bohr atom model is given below. Learning outcome: students should be able to explain Bohr atom model. Introduction. Question to review last session. Teacher shows students chart of solar system, shows chart of atom model of helium, explains why the electrons are kept at certain distances. Recapitulation: what is the peculiarity of this lesson plan? Teacher centered. Which of the following is relevant to a connected question? A question relevant to the learners, the society in which they live, and the discipline and field they are studying. The correct decreasing order of a electron gain enthalpy is chlorine, fluorine, bromine, and iodine. Choose the odd one from among the following. Manipulating. The transect the concept of orbital, the teacher makes the students to imagine a bee roaming around a rose flower. Here the teacher uses analogy. The reduction of a metal oxide by carbon and carbon monoxide is called smelting. Why oil spreads on water? Surface tension of oil is less than that of water. A research concerned with the everyday practical problems of teachers rather than educational theory is action research. Students are given freedom to decide their own way to explore and learn a concept. The method adopted by the teacher is discovery learning. A ray of light is incident on a plane mirror at an angle of incidence 30 degree. The deviation produced by the mirror is 120. Which of the following graphs represent Chemy's option? X by m versus T. Like a pyramid, it's the right answer for Chemy's option. Which of the following mixture of gases is used by deep sea divers? Oxygen and helium. At constant temperature, if pressure of a certain mass of a gas increased by 50%, the percentage decrease of volume will be about 33.3%. What is the focal length of a plane mirror of thickness 4 mm and surface area 400 cm square? That is infinity. The flux linked with a coil is 2 Weber when a current of 2 ampere flows through it. The self-induction of coil is 1 H. The number of images of an object held between two parallel plane mirrors is infinite.